Looking for new sailboat water, 4 bedrooms and a 3 garage? This 2012 built custom waterfront home by West Coast Builders with sailboat access to Charlotte Harbor and the Gulf of Mexico is just waiting for you to move in. Oversized, everything is wheelchair accessible. Wide open floor plan and a long canal view. Tiled throughout the entire home with a split bedroom floor plan. One bedroom currently set up as an office. Separate dining room off entry foyer makes entertaining a breeze. The chef's kitchen features granite counters, a spacious center island and breakfast bar, single bowl stainless sink and appliances, with cabinets with soft close doors and drawers. Master bedroom features access to the lanai. Master bath boasts a jetted tub, double sinks and walk-in shower. Third bath is accessible from the lanai. Great room has sliders which access the lanai, which features two storage closets. Seller had a 27-foot fishing boat on the property.